guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, what is up? As you can tell, I say this every time. This is gonna be another one of my favorite salad recipes. This one is kind of like we're getting more into my more advanced ones because you guys know that I don't really use salad dressings on my salads. I like to use just like olive oil. I don't know why I look so chunky right now and my skin is breaking out still, but it's getting better. Obviously, if you can kind of tell, if you've been watching my videos, you would know. Still at my mom's house. I'm about to go back home in a few days. Wanted to pop in here. I just do an intro and outro for this video because I realized that I didn't do that. So yeah, this is gonna be another one of my favorite salad recipes. I almost said routines. And it's more of an advanced, what I consider to be advanced, because I know a lot of people don't like the flavor or the taste of kale, especially if you're not gonna be adding a really thick, heavy duty, flavorful salad dressing to it, which I don't like doing just because I don't want to add extra calories and all that extraness kind of for no reason, because I don't mind the taste of kale. This one, not too many ingredients. I do have a little way to make it a little bit bougie and like special and like, I don't know, just bougie. Kale, some cheese, some little bougie toppings. I think I did an egg and the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. So hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. This is kind of like my more advanced one. If you guys don't like the flavor of kale, you can always use a salad dressing though to cover up the flavor a little bit. So I look crazy because I just got out of the shower, but this is kind of one of my I call this like kind of my advanced salad, only because I feel like most people don't really like the flavor of kale, especially by itself in a salad form like this. So yeah, another one of my go-to favorite. This is more of an advanced salad for me. Obviously, you're gonna need your bowl or whatever you're putting your salad in, your utensils to like cut everything up, cheese grater for the cheese, obviously. Now for ingredients, we're gonna need our kale. Of course, I can't open this container with my nails. And so I'm just gonna probably use the rest of this kale. So nice, fresh kale, an egg. I just put one egg. We got onion here, I'm gonna chop it up. Onion. I like to put just a little bit of carrots in because I really like the taste of carrots with kale. Just yums to me. Some cheese, what they had substituted this time, but you guys know the Parmesan cheese I usually buy, but it's Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmigiano cheese. We got a little cube there still. Parmesan cheese. Of course, the camera would be running out of battery when I'm using it, right? Okay, for the stars of this, my favorite kale salad, it is the dried cranberries, which we got in this little jar here, but also paired with almond slivers. Wow, the TV. Super easy, not too many ingredients, so I'm just gonna put all of it together. And then you guys know I usually just use olive oil as my salad dressing, so we're gonna be doing that today too. Olive oil to flavor, or kind of make like a salad dressing with the olive oil. Oh my gosh, it's like leaking all over my hands. Cool. So I'm just gonna add in the Trader Joe's chili lime, a must in my life, and pepper flakes, which I usually use in like all of my recipes. So we're just gonna add everything into the bowl. So first the kale, and you guys, I've said it before, I like having really small bite-sized pieces for my salad. So more of like a chopped salad. So I just kind of break everything into small pieces. It's already pretty small, looks like cut apart that my mom did putting it in this container. If there's any like stems, like thick stems in here though, I kind of take those out. Oh, like this one right here. Big piece there. Usually I like to go from like easiest to like just throw in the bowl to like doing stuff last I have to like cut up, and I'll just do that all at the same time. So I'm gonna throw in, I can open the jar, some of these cranberries and some of the almonds now. I'm gonna grab my spoon for this that I'm gonna eat the salad with. I love these spoons, so great. Okay. Now these are these slivered? Flat? I don't know. I'm on keto, so some of these stuff is probably not like the best, and I probably should measure them out. If you're watching your macros or whatever, definitely it's easy to go overboard, especially with the cranberries, so watch those. To me, it's a good choice anyways, so I just don't really worry about it. Same with the almonds. Technically you shouldn't be eating too many almonds in a day, so I'm gonna measure those out also. So now I'm gonna grate the cheese over. I guess I'm not gonna use this again. And I like a lot of cheese, especially in this recipe, because again, it kind of covers the flavor of kale. So if you're not really into the flavor of kale, and if you're not using a normal salad dressing like me and you're just using olive oil, cheese adds a lot of flavor. But I'm also on keto, so a lot of cheese in it doesn't bother me at all. I actually want it. And just since I want to kind of put some things away and put just using all of the easiest ingredients first, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my spices in, if I can open it. All right, there's that. Going in with the chili lime. You can use tahini too for this specific recipe, but really you could use any of your favorite seasonings if you're not using a salad dressing. So now let's get into some of the ingredients we gotta chop up. First what I'm gonna do is gonna take the longest, the egg, because we gotta like peel it and everything. The egg peeled, so now I like to chop it up. Ooh, I keep hitting the camera. Bite-sized pieces, you know? So I usually do it in half and then kind of just little pieces, I don't know. Your egg though will kind of get broken up when you stir everything around too. Mainly the yolk part of the egg, if you eat that part. So I just chop it up pretty small there. If I was like a professional chef, I would put stuff in different sections of the salad so that you could see it all pretty, but this is the extent of my cooking skills. Next we're doing the onion. I really like onion also, especially in this mixture. And again, chop it up pretty small. Probably shouldn't be chopping stuff up on this point. Probably yell at me later. Ooh. Lastly, we're gonna do the carrots. So I'm just gonna grab a few carrots out of here if I can open this container. But carrots are another thing that I just really love the flavor of with kale. So I should grab a few out of here. I actually hate chopping carrots. So usually I buy like already shredded up carrots, so that was kind of annoying for me, but I should put this in there too. And so here is how everything looks before I start mixing it around and before I add in the olive oil. So now let's add in our salad dressing. My type of salad dressing is just olive oil, but if you don't mind using salad dressing, obviously put that in. I know there's one that I had the other day here that my mom bought. It's like a lemon type, vinaigrette type flavor salad dressing. Super good. Something like that would be really nice. This one. It's kind of a lot. Something else that I usually really like to add into this specific recipe of a salad is fresh squeezed lemon juice. I don't really feel like cutting this one up, but usually I'll like cut just a little bit and just squeeze a teeny bit of lemon juice, especially with kale. It's so good, and especially with all of these ingredients in your kale. Very much goodness. Definitely highly suggest adding this in there. But I'm also not going to do it right now because I did use the Trader Joe's chili lime mix, which will give it that same citrusy type flavor a little bit. Just fresh lemon juice is nice. So now we just kind of mix this all around. And see, everything is chopped up really nice and small, so I can eat everything with my spoon. I love this spoon. But now everything is kind of down at the bottom. So as you eat it, you kind of have to make sure that you kind of scoop from the bottom to get all the goods. But so it'll be like all of that in a bite. So good. So see, I just kind of scrape from the bottom to get some of this goodness up. I'm gonna go sit down and eat this because it's so good. Seriously, the best part of this is when you get bites of a little cheese, a little onion, cranberry, and the almonds all mixed together. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like eating salads with just like kale as like the main ingredient, the main base, I guess, as your salad, or if you guys are gonna try it at all. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more of my recipes and just like fitness and everything, as I'm trying to lose weight still. I do feel like I'm doing a good job today though. It's not looking too hot. Yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I never know where to look on my phone, so. All right, bye guys.